trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the bill man will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out of dreams, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire.
Robinson South in Tiger Lily is 100 years old and the yelling is 20 years old. And not bad for 100 years old. Originated in the Summerdale area of Western Barhead. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Indian Bristol, 1954, Land 96. It's the forerunner of the members of the New Guarantee Society. Looks like a pretty good restoration. Never seen one. Hey, this is Uncle Farmer, JD driving it. 1965 T65 Deutsch tractor. They run an air-cooled engine. There's no antifreeze in this with the check. Just no black. W6 Diamond. It was left with scrap, and Aaron and his grandfather picked it up and stuff, got it running. Good run.
Sorry, that's not on. Oh, there's a little tiny John Deere. Let's sit on this car.
Dale Scherzer on his 1945 LA John Deere, purchased and restored by negotiating person.
And
Okay, this is Dale Scherzer tractor also.
Right?
The 1941 Model B John Deere, complete restoration with all
That's a
parts.
John Deere!
Purchased and restored by Dale and his dad around 2005. Dale started on this tractor in the late 1980s and used it to call training. He gave the tractor to Dale in 1998 and he's paid for Dale rebuilding. It works good. You can hide it in the dandelion patch. Victoria fell on.
It's like this. This is how fast it is. No, it's like this fast. Hey, don't push me down.
One Elmer Miller collection of tractors that burnt a few years ago at the museum.
How do we, get across?
Next to Fortune. Bought in 2005 from
That
Rick
tractor
Brothers.
might put that
Every year at the family farm, I presume.
in down.
Box Barhead from which is now the location of grandchildren. I'll get it straight yet at kind of sunset here. Here we have Ian West.
These are cars he wants to.
It's a funny looking car.
All right.
Move over, please.
Use the stairs.
Yeah, Levi's pulling his 1951 F5 Ford. Will be restored. Pull the airbags out of it. It runs a Cummins engine.
That's a cool machine.
Restoration completed in 2015. Purchased at Kirkland Ranch auction at Alvin roll-off Tiger Lily. Purchased new by Ed Roloff in 1957. Worked to it. Then him and I did some horse grading on parts and equipment, and I acquired it. Dewey Barkley is driving it. Continental engine, strictly built by Continental for Massey Harris. Driven by JD. Where's the uniform, young man? No, the uniform. 2022 complete restoration, finished in June of 2024. Parts readily available. Review please.
Well, we left the tractor show and we did sign off, but I forgot to hit record in my usual fashion. So we're going to do that now that we're on the way to the Red Deer Air Show, which is subject for another video. Until then,
keep it in the litter box.
keep it in the litter box. Cheers.